As of December 31 morning, India reported 16,764 new COVID cases. The country's total active caseload has risen to 91,361, whereas total Omicron variant cases stand at 1,270. Bihar is the latest state to report its first case of the new variant of coronavirus on Friday. As the New Year celebrations were expected to peak, several states have imposed more stringent restrictions to prevent the spread of the virus. Maharashtra State Health Minister Rajesh Tope said on Thursday that more restrictions might come if cases continue to surge after a meeting with the CM and COVID task force was held.
टास्क फोर्स माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी और स्वास्थ्य विभाग महाराष्ट्र शासन इनका एकत्रित मीटिंग निश्चित तौर पर आज या कल में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के कन्वीनियंस से होगी और उसपे किस तरह से हम बढ़ते हुए एक्टिव केसेस का सामना कर सकते हैं, इसके बारे में स्ट्रैटेजी, इसके बारे में जो भी है प्लानिंग वो की जाएगी। फिर कुछ हद तक रेस्ट्रिक्शंस बढ़ाने का है क्या, वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव और अच्छी तरह से किस तरह से हम कर सकते हैं और रहा सवाल कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर को भी और स्ट्रिक्टर मोड पे हम किस तरह से ला सकते हैं, यह हम विषय पर चर्चा माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के मीटिंग में होंगी।
Further on Omicron scare, WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, in the last interaction with the media on December 20, told journalists that it was more likely that people who have been vaccinated or recovered from the virus could be infected or reinfected. The WHO chief also added that the combination of Delta and Omicron variants is driving a dangerous tsunami of COVID-19 cases. WHO Europe's COVID incident manager, Catherine Smallwood, also said Omicron's rapid growth will still result in large number of hospitalizations, particularly among unvaccinated groups, and cause widespread disruption to health systems and other critical services. Dr. Angelique Gadzia, who first identified the variant, said India will see a surge in Omicron-driven cases and a high positivity rate, but the infection will hopefully be mild in most people, as is being seen in South Africa.
A rise or increase in the numbers of infections, and if you're not clinically aware of what is happening, you would very, very easily miss the symptoms of this patient, and they would go on and spread the virus to the rest of the community, and while you are looking for severe symptoms, as we have seen with Delta.
Following these, senior doctors in Delhi on Thursday warned that though the data collected so far suggests that Omicron variant causes mild infection, there is a need to remain watchful as a community spread can still strain hospitals. The director of Maulana Azad Medical College has also spoken on the Omicron variant and its transmissibility capacity.
This is more transmissible because it has got some changes which make it go into the human body very fast. And not only does it go more fast into the human body, but it multiplies so fast that the symptoms which used to come in 5, 6, 7 days earlier, now they come in 2 to 3 days. So that shows that it is highly transmissible, very highly transmissible. And it also has one more related issue. Even in our India study, there are these reports that 70%, 2/3 of them are asymptomatic, which is much larger than the earlier variants.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.